Hello guys, welcome to the session. Today we are going to do again. So today we all are going to do the session of the class 9 syllabus series and as recommended by CBSE. So we have a class 9 syllabus division for science only. Maths I have done live stream. You can go and check it out. I will give the video link after the video end. So this is the structure of SST. Sorry, science. In the term 1, only 5 chapter are going to come. In matter, its nature and behavior. It is chapter number 2. From chemistry, from biology, organism the living one, means chapter number 5. Fundamental life. Chapter number 6. Tissues. These both chapter are going to come. Tissues and cell. These two chapter. From physics, motion, force and work. Motion, that is chapter number 8, and force and work, this is chapter number 9. These both are going to come. Understand? Okay. In term 2, chapter number 3 and 4, structure of atoms and molecules. Both chapter are going to come of 18 marks. In the first term of chapter number 2 going to come for 9 marks. And term 1 biology is going to come for 18 marks. And physics is going to come for 13 marks. And in the term 2, the chemistry is going to come from 18 marks. Organism living world chapter number 13. Why do we fall is going to come in biology in term 2. Why do we fall ill? Okay, this is going to come for 8 marks. Motion, force and work, chapter number 10 and 11. Again motion, force and work is coming, but before it was chapter number 8 and 9, now it was chapter number 10 and 11. Previously it was coming from 13 number, now it is coming from 14 number. Total theory, term 1 plus term 2, 80 marks. 40 this one, 40 this one. Internal assessment term 1, 10 marks. And term 2, 10 marks. 10, 10, 20, 100 marks completed. Okay, now let's move. Term 1, chemistry 1 first, and biology. In term 1, chapter number 2, matter around us is going to come. In this you will learn about element, compound, mixtures, heterogeneous, homogeneous, colloid and suspension. In biology, the chapter number cell is going to come. The basic in this you will learn about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, multicellular organism, cell membrane, cell wall, cell organelle, cell enclosures, chloroplast, mitochondria, vacuoles, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, nucleus, chromosomes, basic structure and number. And chapter number 6, tissues is going to come. In this tissues, organ system, organism, structure, functions of animal, plant tissues. Only 4 types of tissues in animals. What are they? Meristematic, permanent tissue in plant. This is only going to come. In the theme moving things, people and idea, means in physics, unit 3, motion, force and work, chapter 8, motion is going to come. In motion you will learn about displacement, velocity, uniform and non-uniform motion along a straight line, acceleration, distance, time, velocity, time graph for uniform motion, uniformly acceleration motion, derivation of equation of motion by graphical method, elementary idea of uniform circular motion. Chapter number 9, force and laws of motion. In this you will learn about force and Newton's law of force and motion, Newton's law of motion, action and reaction forces, in inertia of a body, inertia and mass, momentum, force and acceleration, elementary idea of conservation of momentum. In term 2, material, C. In chemistry, matter is in chapter number 3 you will going to come atoms and molecules. In this you will know atoms and molecules, law of constant proportion, atomic and molecular mass, mole concept, relation of mole to mass of the particular numbers. And chapter number 4 is going to come structure of atoms. In this you will know electron, proton, neutron, valency, chemical formula of common compound, isotopes and isobars. I come to physics. Physics chapter number 10, gravitation and gravitation. Gravitation, universal law of gravitation, force of gravitation of the earth, gravity, acceleration due to gravity, mass and weight, and free fall is going to come. In chapter number 11, force, work and energy. Work and energy power, work done by force, energy power, kinetic and potential energy, law of conservation. In the world of living means in the biology only, why do we follow symptom? In this human health and its failure, infections, non-infection diseases, their causes, and manufacturing diseases caused by microbes. Microbes are virus, bacteria, protozoans, and their prevention, principle of treatment and prevention, pulse polio programs. This much. Some practicals should be also going to be conducted alongside the concept taught in the theory classes. In term 1, the list of experiment preparation of a true solution of common salt, sugar, alum, a suspension of soil, chalk powder, and fine sand and water, a covalent solution of starch in water, and egg, albumin, milk in water, and distribute between these on the basis of transparency, filtration criteria, and stability. This is going to come in this from 1. And second experiment is going to come preparation of a mixture of compound using your iron fillings, sulfur powder, and distinguishing between on the basis of appearance, means homogeneity and heterogeneity, and behavior towards a magnet. Okay, behavior towards carbon sulfur as a solvent and effect of heat. Okay, effect of heat is universe. Chapter number 2 is here. Now another perform the following reaction and classify them as physical. This is also going to come. Okay, and the fourth one is the prevention of stained mount on onion peel human cheek seals to record and to record operation and draw their label diagram from chapter 5 unit 2 and chapter 6 unit 2 identification of parenchyma colony cell tissues in plants, stripped smooth and cardiac muscle fibers and nerve cells even from prepared slides, draw their label diagram. This is going to come. List of experiment in the term 2, determination of the density. What happened? Okay, what is the problem? Yes, why I don't know, it changed slide. Determination of density of solid in term 2 by using a spring balance in the measuring cylinder, unit 3, test of chapter number 10. Establishing relation between the loss in weight of a solid when fully immersed in the tap water, strongly salty water with the height of water displaced by its taking at least 2 different solids, unit 3 from chapter number 10. Then verification is going to come of the law of conservation of mass in chemical reaction. Now if you got any doubt, you just comment me in the full syllabus I have taught you. Just comment me down below so that I will read and respond to you. And yes guys, that was all for this session. Thank you for hearing me in the next session. The clip. Bye bye. See you guys.
Check 1 2 3